117 Dana Way, Panama City Beach, Florida, 32407. Welcome back, you guys. Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate, coming to you from Brandywine Estates here in Panama City Beach, Florida. So where is Brandywine Estates? You may not have heard of this subdivision. It's a cute little 2 cul-de-sac subdivision. It's right across from Dolphin Bay. We are really close to the Hathaway Bridge. So if you're coming from town and you're coming to the beach, you would turn right at the Taco Bell and the CVS, and it's just a couple of streets down on the left. So really quiet, cute little neighborhood. And if you have a need to be going to the Navy Base, minutes away, 2 miles from the sandy beach. And if you have a job in town and you want to live on the beach, this is the perfect spot because you're gonna have a really short commute to get over there. But the home itself, let me tell you a little bit about that. We got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, brand new carpet here. It's a split floor plan. The roof is a metal roof, 2 years old on that. So you're in great shape on some nice upgrades already. Check out some of the photos here, some of the aerial shots of the surrounding areas and of the outside of the home. So if you like this home from what you've seen so far and you'd like to see it in person, please give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. My contact information is below. And if you got property that you need to sell in Panama City Beach, Florida, I'd love to help you with that too. Until next time, bye-bye for now.